Hey Ken, we got another new product to try, and I want to do it now so I can start playing.
Oh, Joy.
How did you know?
Ah. Hi, and welcome to Crafts by Two. I'm Ken.
And I'm George, and today we have the Cricut Joy, the compact smart cutting machine. I hear it's tiny, and everyone says how cute it is.
It's tiny.
It's tiny. So we're going to unbox it in this video, and then we're going to go from setup to first cut. So Ken, overhead, so let's unbox it. Ooh, Cricut Joy. First we have the Cricut Joy machine. It's pretty small, a little bit heavy, not super heavy, but it's got some weight to it. And it's wrapped in cellophane, so I am just going to cut it open with our pokey tool because I don't have a pen blade handy. Why don't you get the rest of the stuff out, Ken?
There's the Cricut Joy Open Me packet, which we'll go through in just a minute. And then underneath are the power cord and your pen for the Cricut Joy.
And they seem to have a lot of fun with cellophane for this Cricut machine because everything is wrapped tightly without little pulls to take it off.
I'm going to put the box out of the way.
I'm going to take the pen. So before we do that, let's open the Cricut Joy and show everyone the inside. And we're just going to take out the styrofoam that holds the head in place. And that's the whole inside. And, of course,
another plastic strip.
there. So now I think we're ready to open me. And actually, Ken, while you do that, I am going to undo this and plug it in. You can go.
So inside is the Let's Get Started, some materials.
So cardstock and smart vinyl, it looks like.
Yep, silver smart vinyl. Your standard grip cutting mat. And the warranty and safety instructions. So I'm going to put this out of the way.
And I'm opening the mat.
So let's get started. We'll go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. And during setup, you'll use the smart vinyl sample and the blade. The blade is already installed.
So the blade is right here. If you undo like other Cricut machines, you can take the blade out to look at it. It's smaller than a normal Cricut blade cartridge. And the top, the plunger, pushes down on it to push out the blade so you can take it out like a normal Cricut blade. But these are smaller blades and smaller cartridges made specifically for the Joy.
So we're going to get started by going to Cricut.com/setup. And we've already installed Design Space for Windows, so we don't have to download it. But if you do need to download it, if you're brand new, you would just click download and follow their instructions.
Yep. So we want to set up the Cricut Joy, so we'll select that.
And here, get connected. Follow these simple steps to connect your machine. Place the machine 10 inches from the wall. Connect power. It's on the overhead.
Sorry, I didn't realize. So the power is over here on the bottom. So we plug it in, and this light is flashing. And there's nothing that really tells us what that flashing light means.
And then it says connect via Bluetooth in system settings. So we are going to go down to the system tray and choose our Bluetooth icon. And by right-clicking, we get this menu. And I'm going to choose add a Bluetooth device. Then up top, add Bluetooth or other device. And again, choose the kind of device. We're adding Bluetooth. And it scans around and finds all the devices in our household to connect. And we're going to look for the Joy. And your Joy is going to be different, have a different code after it, but it should say Joy.
Right. And if you look on the bottom of your Cricut Joy machine for your serial number, that's what will show up as your Bluetooth identifier. And ours is B612.
So clicking on that, it says connecting, and our device is ready to go. So we can click done. I'm closing out the Windows system settings.
So once we've connected to Bluetooth, this light on top of the Joy stopped blinking. So that must be an indicator of your Bluetooth connection, Ken.
Also, now that we're connected, it says Joy B612 Bluetooth, and we can click continue. Now it's checking for machine updates. Let's make sure that you've got the latest and greatest firmware on your Cricut Joy. And there's an update. So we're going to click update. And it will walk through the process.
So now the light on top of the Joy is slowly blinking. It's kind of like breathing. And it's gotten faster. It's turned into a blink. So as you could hear, it sounds like the machine has rebooted.
And it says success. Your machine is up to date. And now we can click continue. So register the machine. And we're already logged in to Design Space already with George's Cricut account. So that's why it's already plugged in. If you're not, it will ask you to log in. And if you're using multiple accounts on the same computer, you can say not your email and connect with a different account. So to continue, we need to accept Cricut's terms and conditions and then register. Great, your Joy is registered and set up.
Yay!
Next. Let's test a cut. Select an image to get started. What do you want to do, George?
Let's do you want to do the bear?
Sure, a silver bear.
Yeah, a bear's kind of adorable.
So I'm clicking on the bear.
Get it? Adora bear?
That's kind of a stretch. Next. Prepare for the cut. Step 1, confirm the blade is set in place with the clamp closed.
So I'm just going to open it and close it and make sure it's closed. And now the light's blinking again.
And I'm clicking the arrow. Prepare for cut. Insert smart vinyl under the guides and up against the rollers to auto feed.
So here's the smart material. And I'm just going to slide it in.
So it recognized the materials, and now we can start the cut.
But I noticed when it's pulled in the Smart material that it didn't pull it in evenly. So why don't you click unload?
Okay.
And let's try putting it in again. Yeah, it's not pulling it in evenly. Unload again. I'm going to just push it up against the side once. There. Because that way, when it pulled it in, you could see that it didn't warp as it pulled in.
And that's important for getting an even cut.
Right.
So now we're ready to start the cut. And there's no buttons on the Cricut Joy itself. Everything's controlled by software. So we have to click the Go button on screen. Test complete. There's the bear. And we're going to click Next and unload.
So here's the bear cut. It's adorable.
So you're all done. Remove the cut image from the backer.
So look how adorable. I'm going to put it down on the cover of the mat. That way we know which side is up. Ta-da! Now he's right side up. And we have vinyl left over.
So we remove the cut image and we can click Finish. After that, we're back in Cricut Design Space and ready to move on to doing our own projects. So there you have it, from setup to first cut.
And I think this is the easiest Cricut setup yet.
It was very easy to set up and go.
Yeah, it's a cute little machine. So we're going to play with it for the next couple days and put it through our paces, and then give you a review of what we really think about the Cricut Joy. So thanks for joining us, and until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.